know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Welcome back, my Freestyle Nation. Welcome back to the movement. Now, Freestyle today, we're back with the next video, guys. But before we go any further, remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't 10 subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. And as always, guys, remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time Freestyle upload a video. Now, Freestyle Nation, so it's all about some curry chicken on the menu for today. And right here, guys, are my season I will be using for my curry chicken. As you can see, guys, I have onion, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, and the spices I'll be using: all-purpose season, chicken season, black pepper, some allspice, and my number one spice of allspice, my pimento berries. Over here, guys, as you can see, guys, I have my chicken already cut and prepped. So Freestyle, I will now go ahead and start the preparation of my natural season. Right here I have some sweet pepper, and also my sweet pepper, guys, as you can see, I'm using 4 different colors. As you already know, guys, all the way to our Freestyle Adventures, guys, we like when our meal is full of color. As you can see, guys, I'm using 3 different colors. Sweet pepper, some people call it bell pepper, I call it sweet pepper. Go around with onion. When you're cooking, give it that flavor to your meal. So when I'm cooking, I use a lot of onion. As for now, I'm using a half an onion. I'll put this one aside. Now, Freestyle, I will go ahead and add my spices for my curry chicken. Right here I have some chicken season, and I'm going to use ½ teaspoon of chicken season. Then right here I have some all-purpose season. I'm gonna do the same thing, same amount. ½ teaspoon of chicken season. You wanna sprinkle it all over. Then right here, Freestyle, I have my allspice. And the allspice is a mixture of spices. So Freestyle, I will now go ahead and add my number one spice, which is my pimento berries. Add my pimento. After adding my pimento berries, I will go ahead and add a small amount of black pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and rub my spices together. After rubbing all my spices together, Freestyle, it's now time to add my natural season. And guys, as I said before, the natural season I'm using is thyme, sweet pepper, onions, scallion, and a piece of garlic. As my natural season, I will now go ahead and massage the season in. Here you have it. Now, Freestyle, it's time to add my curry. I like when my curry is strong. Let's see how it goes. 1 teaspoon of curry. Then I'm gonna go with half more teaspoon of the curry. It's so lovely, guys, the smell of the curry and the natural season. There's a whole vibe going on right here. Now freestyle, my chicken is now completely seasoned. I'm not gonna cover it, and I'm gonna allow it all to marinate for probably like about 45 minutes. Then it's time to cook up my curry chicken, dumpling, and cassava sweet potato. Now stay tuned, freestyle, soon come back. Now freestyle, it's time to start the cooking of my chicken. I will go ahead and add a small amount of oil. You want to use too much, a small amount of oil. So freestyle, as you can see for yourself, guys, I went ahead and separate the chicken from the natural season. As soon as my chicken is halfway cooked, I will go ahead and add the natural season. So just stay tuned, guys. Oil is hot. I will go ahead and add a small amount of curry to the oil. You want to burn the curry somewhat. After burning your curry, freestyle, I will go ahead and add the chicken to the pot. Now freestyle, I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow it to slowly cook. Soon come back. So freestyle right here, I'm making my dumplings. This is how we do it. Now guys, if you're watching this video freestyle, I'm asking you guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit the subscription button and join the movement. As you know, guys, on the Freestyle Adventures, we educate and we entertain. It's all about the cooking and it's all about motorsport, guys. So, you know what I mean? Just hit the subscription button and be a part of the Freestyle family. Now my dumpling is now completely made. It's now time to put them in the pot. Now freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 carrots to my natural season. I'm going to cut them in circles. Freestyle, after cooking for about 15 minutes, I will go ahead and check to see what's going on with our curry chicken. As you can see, guys, a lot of gravy is in the pot and freestyle. I still haven't added any water to it. Now what I will do, I will go ahead and add my natural seasoning to the pot. My natural seasoning. Then I'm going to stir. I'm still not going to add any water, freestyle. I'm going to cover it and I'm going to allow it to slowly cook. Stay tuned. Also my food, freestyle, the water is now boiling, so I will now go ahead and add my dumplings. As you know, freestyle, I make the prettiest dumplings. Look at that. Nice, round and pretty. Put my dumplings in the pot. So we're cooking dumplings, sweet potato and cassava to go with the curry chicken. Style, it's now time to check on our curry chicken. You have it. Guys, I opened the pot and I must tell you guys, the smell of the chicken just hit me like a category 5 hurricane. It smells so good. And guys, as you can see for yourself guys, my curry is looking so rich and colorful. Nice and lovely freestyle. This is how we do it over here. We educate and we entertain. You know what I mean? If you want to cook a meal, you could always go on Freestyle Adventures and look it up. If you want to see some action when you come on to motorsport, you could go on Freestyle Adventures and look it up. And guys, to go with my curry chicken, over here I have some ground provision with some dumpling going on. I have sweet potato, I have cassava, and my dumplings. And as you can see guys, the curry chicken is coming along nice and lovely. I'm now going to cover the pot guys and give it a few more minutes, then our chicken should be completed. Freestyle Nation, stay tuned. As always guys, remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't tell subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Freestyle Nation. Now my Freestyle Nation, this is it. My curry chicken is now completed guys, as you can see for yourself. Nice and colorful. My curry is so rich and delicious guys. I must tell you freestyle, it's a whole vibe. It smells so good, and as you can see for yourself, it looks so good. As always freestyle, remember if you're watching this video guys, remember to give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe and join the freestyle family. I appreciate all the support I can get, as it's a new channel and I'm trying to grow. Without you guys, I can't grow. So all the subscribers, all the viewers are highly appreciated guys. Just keep on supporting the channel by liking the videos, sharing the videos, and if you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Here you have it guys, curry chicken with dumpling, sweet potato and cassava, freestyle way. I'm going to turn the stove off. Soak up. Now freestyle, here you have it. Dinner is now being served. Right here I have my curry chicken, sweet potato, cassava and dumpling. Nice and delicious guys. I'm about to go on in. Until next time freestyle, catch you in the next one guys. Remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit the subscription button and join the movement. Freestyle, I'm out. Thanks for watching guys. Freestyle, I'm telling you guys, I wish I could share this with you guys. It's so delicious. Wow.